People are different. Some are always thinking of new innovations, ideas that make life simpler, faster, or open doors to the impossible. If you're one of those people with ideas, then you need to know Arshon Technology. Since 2007, Arshon has designed and developed over 500 products, from simple sketches on paper to complex, cutting-edge solutions. No matter where you are in your journey, just an idea or a fully detailed requirement, we turn it into reality. Our team reviews your project, optimizes requirements, and develops it using the latest technologies. We build prototypes so you can validate and prove your concept. We help you certify your product for global markets. And when you're ready, we guide you through mass production with confidence. With Arshon Technology, you don't just get an engineering firm, you gain a reliable partner in innovation. So if you're ready to bring your idea to life, contact Arshon Technology today. Because the future is built by people like you. Arshon Technology, from idea to innovation to impact.